Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. Welcome to Insta TV. On Monday, crude oil is hovering around its lowest levels amid thin trading volumes as New York and London markets are closed today for public holidays. The strong US dollar has affected oil prices as investors no longer doubt a near-term rate hike by the Federal Reserve. In addition, market participants are looking ahead to this week's OPEC meeting scheduled for Thursday.
OPEC members have recently been demonstrating their inability to reach an agreement on distributing and maintaining oil production quotas. Each member of the organization has its own interests that sometimes conflict with the interests of other cartel members. Little is expected to change this week, which may be used as a trigger for starting a race to the bottom for oil prices. Therefore, we can expect Brent crude oil to gradually return to the level of $49 per barrel.
The nations within the oil cartel will attempt to find a viable solution to the issue of worldwide hydrocarbon oversupply. Crude oil glut remains the key threat looming over the global oil market despite occasional supply disruptions from a number of major oil-producing countries, including Canada, Nigeria and Venezuela. These supply outages managed to push oil prices higher, making the market players consider a problem that is directly opposite to the glut, namely a supply deficit. On top of everything else, US crude stockpiles data recorded a larger than expected decrease last week. The official figures suggest that crude oil inventories in the United States fell to the lowest levels since September 2014, logging a drawdown of 4.226 million barrels. On Friday, a fresh report from Baker Hughes also encouraged investors as it indicated a decline in the number of drilling rigs operating in the US to a total of 316 items. Analysts say that crude oil reserves will continue to slide, which may prevent another sharp drop in oil prices. As of now, Thursday's meeting of OPEC countries in Vienna is currently in the spotlight. Experts admit that oil traders may not necessarily cheer the outcome of the meeting due to mounting tensions between Iran and Saudi Arabia. Find out what the future has in store for the financial markets by following our news releases on InstaForexx TV. Thank you and goodbye.